Welcome to our App Central tutorial on how to access the Seesaw app for Virginia Beach City Public Schools parents. Seesaw is an online learning platform for pre-K through 5th grade elementary students that facilitates a learning loop by connecting students, teachers, and families. It provides opportunities for students to demonstrate their learning through multimedia, teachers to provide feedback, and families to stay informed about their child's academic journey. To access Seesaw for the first time, you will be given an email or printout copy of a QR code that is tied to your student. You will need to download the Seesaw app for iOS or Android. Once in, tap I'm a family member. Then at the bottom of the page, tap Create Family Account. Scan the QR code that was provided to you. You will be prompted to confirm that the child tied to the QR code is in fact your student. From there, you will create your account and access all the necessary features within Seesaw. You can give the signature QR code to up to 10 other family members who you would like to have access. Thank you for accessing our App Central site. Feel free to watch our other tutorial videos on apps used within Virginia Beach City Public Schools.